$200,000. This is a public school. How am I $200,000 in debt? This isn't like a TV show premise. My phone. Yep. Yep. All right. Sure.
Liam, over here.
How are you doing?
Doing kind of good. But I'm here there some yeah.
Yeah, sure.
I'm sorry, what?
Definitely think your dad was $200,000.
Dude, you guys over the 200,000. How do you owe the school that much?
Quiet, I owe people in high heaven here.
Never mind. Don't worry. I don't have one.
How?
I'll talk to him.
You know who I am. You're the one who called me. You know, trust is a one-way street for me. In my favor.
I'm gonna go to church.
Was it like a cigarette, but it's not a cigarette? You just breathed on my face, but okay. Are we going somewhere? It seems like...
Oh man.
Yep, do it.
Hey, do you know what class to be at?
Gosh, he's like an NPC. He's just an NPC. It's like he's done this before. He's like an NPC. Where are we going?
Just trust me.
You've said that like 7 times now. It's not a destination.
Just me.
Ooh, a room. Exciting.
Open up.
Who is it? What do you want?
Man, this guy's got a deep voice. Come on.
All right. Quickly, go, go, go!
Wow, it's like a special object.
Oh, Noah, my good friend.
Ah, Corinne. I need your help.
I knew it. Oh, finally. Boris, come here. Why do I pay you? Oh my god, you're so ignorant. Okay, so what do you want?
I need you to teach my friend here how to make thin mints.
Wait, just to clarify real quick. Correct me if I'm wrong. Thin mints are illegal in the school.
Wow, really?
No. Anyway, he is really bad at it.
For real? Oh my god, I'm going to fire you next time.
Anyway, so if I were to sell these and get caught, I get suspended or, at worst, expelled.
Yeah.
Fun!
Fine. Okay, so like, why don't you just get a real job and pay off your debts?
Wait, how do you know about my debt?
That's
Also,
not the point.
get out of this conversation.
Yeah, for real. Like, just leave. God,
He's such a baby.
for real. Like,
Pause
what
for
is-
5 seconds. All right, so that's good.
Here's my slate, right?
Yes.
Okay.
He uses himself. Does he do this, dude? It's not even a cigarette. Why do you act like you're smoking it? Just bought it's the lollipop. Does he do this often?
Yeah, he does this a lot. I
can't
should
even
just
get up.
fire him.
Get up, buddy!
Yeah, for real.
Shut your mouth,
And
Krill.
anywho,
Okay.
Okay.
so
Okay, you, both of you leave. I need to teach him. Oh my god! I swear.
dude, that was intentional, right? First off, we didn't get that in the.
Alright, change into this. You gotta be less conspicuous.
How do you know my size? This isn't a TV show.
That's not the point. Now go change.
There's just a room in here. Kinda weird. You somehow knew my sizes perfectly. It's kinda weird. Especially for a person I just met.
Yeah. Boris, get out.
Oh.
Get out. I swear to God.
No Thin Mint recipes for you.
Me.
Anywho, so are you gonna teach me how to make thin mints?
Yeah.
7-minute lecture's not the best. You taught me and you gave me a small bit about anagrams. What was that for anyway?
For this.
Alright, anagrams, a complex one from what you said. It's not like I can understand this like instantly like a TV show character. Well, so, thank you.
You're welcome.
Where am I supposed to take this?
Take it to the runners down in the comments.
Got it. They're supposed to understand this now. They just really good at it.
Yes. They've been doing this for a while.
Alright, just
Put your Hey, and while you're over there, get me some apple juice. I have that stuff.
alright, sure.
Thin Mints. Hey, you! You should be in class. Give me your pass right now.
One second, I have it in here somewhere.
Better have one. Otherwise, it's an automatic lunch detention.
Hey guys, calm down. We should just let him go. Besides, he's like a pretty good kid.
Thank you.
Besides, we gotta find that guy that's selling cookies.
Wait,
Exactly. So if you see a guy wearing a black hoodie, let us know immediately.
wait, so you guys are the hall monitors?
Yes. Yes.
Did you get a good look at his face? Or
Nah, we
anything?
didn't look at his face, but we did find his weird papers in.
Oh, can we take a look at it?
Here.
Boom. It's a drop location and a phone number.
Wait. How is
Look, a
it-
guy in a black hoodie!
After him!